Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. Most diets are a balance of three major nutrients: fats, protein, and carbohydrates. Some low and zero carb diets use net carbohydrates in their plan instead of total carbohydrates. For example, a keto or paleo diet plan may allow between 10 to 60 grams of net carbohydrates versus 10 to 60 grams of total carbohydrates a day. In this video, I will share how to calculate net carbs for a variety of fresh and processed foods. Carbohydrate-rich foods include fruits, grains, legumes, and vegetables. There are three main types of carbohydrates: sugar, starch, and fiber. Within those three types are subtypes. Sugars can be mono or disaccharides, starch can be resistant or non-resistant, and fiber can be soluble or insoluble. A standard nutrition facts label includes total carbohydrates, dietary fiber, and sugars. Adding dietary fiber and sugar does not equal total carbohydrates. Subtracting fiber and sugar from total carbs gives the amount of starch. For fresh foods and minimally processed foods, net carbs equals total carbs minus dietary fiber. Basically, net carbs equals sugar plus starch. The reason fiber is excluded is because it is not absorbed and provides 0 calories. In this example, net carbs is approximately 23 grams. This frozen low-carb diet meal claims to provide 4 grams of net carbs. That was the simple explanation. Now it becomes a little more complicated. For some highly processed foods, net carbs equals total carbs minus dietary fiber plus sugar alcohols. I know some of you are thinking, sugar alcohols? There's no sugar alcohols listed on the nutrition facts label. Sugar alcohols are a sugar-based carbohydrate that are not metabolized like most sugars. These are a few sugar alcohols commonly added to food. You can usually identify them by the TOL ending. Sugar alcohols are not the same as artificial sweeteners. Sugar alcohols are less sweet than sugar. Artificial sweeteners can be hundreds of times sweeter than sugar and taste bitter. Unlike most artificial sweeteners, sugar alcohols are not 0-calorie carbohydrates. Sugar alcohols like sugar have 4 calories a gram. Up to 1/2 of a sugar alcohol's calories can be absorbed. Absorption is slower than sugar, reducing blood glucose spikes. What is not absorbed for fuel becomes food for gut bacteria. Compared to sucrose, sugar alcohols have a lower glycemic index. Erythritol has almost 0 absorption. This protein bar has 0 grams of sugar, but it clearly states on the package that it is not a low-calorie food. With 23 grams of total carbohydrates, 1 gram of fiber, and 20 grams of sugar alcohols, one would believe this product has 2 grams of net carbs. We know each bar has 230 calories. Total calories equals grams of fat times 9, grams of carbs times 4, and grams of protein times 4. Calculating total calories based on 2 grams of net carbs equals 160 calories. We're missing 70 calories. Including the 20 grams of sugar alcohol gives us 236 calories. So the sugar alcohol used in this product provides the missing calories. Although made with 20 grams of sugar alcohol, this protein bar is not keto or low carb. If you're on a very low carb diet, you cannot ignore sugar alcohols. This protein bar is made with maltitol, which has a glycemic index of about 26. You can easily exceed your daily carb limit by eating just a few of these protein bars. When buying foods made with sugar alcohols, one recommendation is include half of the amount if it exceeds 5 grams. In this example, net carbs would be 12 grams instead of 2 grams. Unless the food is only made with erythritol. Since it is not absorbed, you can exclude the entire amount. Now that you're a net carb expert, you can enjoy your low-carb diet. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching and healthy eating.